To begin, right-click on the Start button located on your taskbar. From the menu that appears, select Settings. Once the Settings window is open, navigate to the Apps tab on the left-hand side. Within the Apps section, you will find an option labeled Default Apps. Click on this. Now, in the search bar provided, type VLC. You should see VLC Media Player appear in the list. Click on VLC Media Player. You will then see a list of file types and link types. For each type of media or link that you wish to associate with VLC, click on the current default application. Finally, select VLC Media Player from the list of available applications to set it as the default for that specific file or link type. Repeat this process for all the file types you wish to open with VLC by default. Hope this was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed. As always, thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.